In this video, we will learn how to draw geometric shapes and their colors. Are you coming with me? Circle, heart, triangle, pentagon, star, square, red heart color, circle blue color, green triangle, yellow star, pentagon purple color, orange square, green triangle, circle blue color, red heart color, yellow star, pentagon purple color, orange square, triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. For today, it's just little friends. Now subscribe to the Nuno Kids channel and learn while having fun. Bye.